Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, then today we are again with your English. Okay, all of you. Then what we had discussed early last class? Yes, our chapter. Which chapter we discussed? Yes, the snake and the mirror. Then I think you read the chapter well and discussed its question answers and everything, right? Have you read how many times you read that chapter? Did you read that chapter? Yes, then how many times? I told you that surely you want to read the chapter well, then only we can get good mark. Okay, then today we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is A Legend of the Northland. Before that, I think we have to discuss some more question answers and thinking about the language and reporter speech. We have again reporter speech, and we have to discuss some more exercise in that chapter. Am I right? Okay, then we can discuss the question answers first. Okay, you just listen. Okay, just listen everything carefully. Okay, all of you. Okay, then all of you open your textbook and take page number 60. Though we have thinking about the text. All of you see that? Thinking about the text. Have you seen? Yes. Then which is the first? Discuss in pairs and answer each questions below in a short paragraph, 30 or 40 words. All of you listen. Question number 1. The sound was familiar one. All of you read. The sound was familiar one. Then, what sound did doctor hear and what did he think it was, and how many times did he hear it? And find the first, you want to find the places in the textbook, and when and why did the sound stop? Okay, I think simple questions, right? Am I right? Simple questions. Yes. Then all of you listen. Yes, the sound was familiar one. All of you listen. The sound was familiar one. Sound was familiar one. What sound did the doctor hear? What sound did the doctor hear? Kimi? Yes, the doctor. Before that we want to write about doctor, right? How we can write? All of you just scribble your answer in a rough book and surely you can change after the class. Okay, just scribble. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ ജസ്റ്റ് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഓരോ പോയിന്റ് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക. ക്ലാസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആക്ച്വൽ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലേക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? You want to write everything neatly. Okay, then the doctor lived in a rented room. Then room with rats, right? Then always he hear the hue and cry of rats. H-U-E, hue and cry always. Okay, so the doctor did not pay a heed to that. That means he did not pay attention to that rat because what he know that? Because it's about of rats. Then what did he think it was? Okay, it's rats. How many times did he hear? He heard the sound thrice, 3 times. Then when he sat into the chair, what happened next? Then how many? Then when and why did the sound stop? Because when he was sat into the chair, the noise stopped. Presumably, what happened? Due to the fear of the snake, the rats had stopped running to fro onto the beam. What happened? He went, and why did the sound stop? Because actually the narrator don't know what is going on upon that roof. Understood? But how the sound stopped? Because the arrival of snake. Simple question, right? Then second question. What two important and earth-shaking decision did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? Do you know that? I think you read how many times? 5. Yes. Then the doctor decided to make himself handsome. Doctor decided to make himself handsome. Okay, make himself handsome, and he also decided to shave daily and grow a thin mustache. And another decision that he want to smile always, and so many other things also. Want to marry a sprinter or fat woman. Yes, a fat woman and everything. Okay. Then next question. I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. A little later he says, I forgot my danger, and smiled feebly at myself. And what is the doctor's opinion about himself when he first smiles and he smiles again? And in what way do his thoughts change in between, and why? Why dears? Listen, when the doctor smiles first, he thinks he is handsome. And attractive. And he is a bachelor doctor. When he smiles at the second time, he thinks he is a poor, stupid and foolish doctor. His vanity is gone. First time he thinks that he is very handsome and very beautiful and everything looking very nice. But second, when he looking feebly because he was where he was. Yes, he was just here. He is going to, or he is just near to the death. Okay, and then his vanity is gone and humility has taken its place. He become a human being. Understood? Okay. Then this story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. And what makes it humorous? And think of the contrast in presence between dream and reality. The kind of a person the doctor is a money or professional. Give me. Then the story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. And what makes it humorous? Think the contrast between the first. I think it's better to write one. Okay, just discuss. That is better. No need to write in your notebook. Okay, just think about this. What kind of a person the doctor is, a profession or is give professionals or give more important to money. The kind of person he wants to be in appearance and ambition and everything you want to write. And the person he wants to marry, then the person he actually marries, and his thoughts when he looks into the mirror, and his thoughts when the snake is coiled around his arm. And write a short paragraph on each of these. Get your answer. Okay, idinte answer kittunna reethile you want to write a short paragraph. How we can start this paragraph? Yes, the story is humorous because a poor doctor he has big dreams. Okay, just write down the first paragraph. First, we want to write one introduction here. The story is humorous because a poor doctor has big dreams, and he is a homeopath, and he has no money. Okay, and he has just started his practice, and he lives in a small rented room infested with the rats. infested with infested, infested with the rats, and his vest is dirty and he has only one coat. Okay, all of you, then discuss. You want to write one paragraph. Okay, then thinking about the language. Here are some sentences from the text, and say which of them tell you that the author was afraid of snake, was proud of his appearance, had the sense of humor, and was no longer afraid of the snake. Okay, all of you listen. I was turned to stone. I was turned to stone. Is it afraid of snake, or proud of his appearance, or a sense of humor? ഏത് കാറ്റഗറിയിലാണ് ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസ് പെടുന്നത്? നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ ഏതിലാണ്? യെസ്, ഐ വാസ് അഫ്രൈഡ് ഓഫ് സ്നേക്ക്. Second one, I was no image cut in granite. Yes, was afraid of the snake. Then give me for third one, the arm was beginning to be drained of strength. Yes, was afraid of snake. ഇനി ഫോർത്ത് നോക്കിയേ, ഫോർത്ത് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ഈ കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ ഏതിൽ പെടും? മുകളിൽ പറഞ്ഞ 4 കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ ഏതിൽ പെടും നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് വൺ, ഐ ഡിഡ്ന്റ് tremble, I didn't cry out. Give me, yes, was afraid of snake. Then give me next. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. Yes, was proud of our appearance. Then I think it's better to complete you yourselves. Surely you can complete everything. And then we have reported questions. We have reported speech. Reported speech. I think you didn't forget everything about reported speech and its role. Have you forgot everything? No, surely. Then I give you another homework. First we want to write the question answer thinking about the text. Want to write in your notebook simply. Okay, in simple way you can write, and that is enough. Okay, then I write a paragraph. Then another, that is reported speech. Okay, reported speech. In the case of reported speech, you want to write each tense and its forms and its report, and what are the changes when we report it to from direct to indirect. So you want to write engane ezhudum, direct ile simple present adile form ezhuda, indirect ile adil endanu maattam. Understood? All of you understood? Direct ile simple present and indirect ile simple present ne nammal engotu maattum padichittille adu. Ini pinne direct ile present continuous ne nammal indirect ile present എന്തായിട്ട് മാറ്റും? പ്രസൻറ്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് എന്തായിട്ട് മാറ്റും? പ്രസൻ്റ് ആണോ എന്താണെന്നുള്ള മാറ്റം അപ്പുറത്ത് എഴുതാം. അപ്പോൾ സിമ്പിൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് അപ്പുറത്ത് എഴുതാം, പ്രസൻറ്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് അപ്പുറത്ത് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു. ദെൻ 3 homeworks for you tomorrow. Write everything neatly and submit me tomorrow itself. Okay, I want that notes tomorrow itself. Okay, in our group. Okay, all of you. Okay, thank you.